Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what Bitcoin is doing today. So I haven't posted the Bitcoin video in, a little bit, but I don't like posting every day if nothing has changed. So if I look at stuff and it still looks the same as before, there's no reason for me to bug you guys posting the same thing over and over again, because you'll just tune it out. So I like to post right to the point, right away when something happened. Now look at this. RSI very bullish. Looks good. Now so let's just go back. So let's just take this fibs off, and so here's the thing, right? So if we look at Bitcoin from the swing high of what, December of 2017 to the swing low of what, December of 18, we have this fibs, right? Just zoom in a little bit. So at the 95.60 level, we have this fib from a year of years. So we pierce above that. I did talk about this trend line. We pierce above the trend line, which is good. So this looks bullish. The only thing that concerns me is, are we gonna do what we've been doing for the last 2 months, that we cannot pass the 10.5 level, or are we doing something actually? So that is my concern with Bitcoin. That's why I haven't done too much with it. So right now, I wouldn't do much, is the thing. Am I watching Bitcoin closely? You bet. You bet, because I don't want the rally to leave me. So I've been watching this like a hawk, but I just don't feel like we're right there yet. I mean, if you're going to hold this forever, sure, but I like to make some money. I don't like to leave money parked for years at a time and not do anything, because then I can move it elsewhere and make some money. By the way, guys, if you guys liked the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button, because that's the only way you're going to help the channel reach 7 billion people. And we're going to build a community for each other. The whole idea here is to stop using the bankers. The bankers are a bunch of crooks. So that's the whole idea, that everyone can make some money in the crypto market without using those crooks. And if you guys get anything useful out of the video, send one friend to the channel. That way they can make money like you're making money. So that being said, I will get bullish past the 10.5 level. 10.5 level, then we're good. Prior to that, no, 10.4, 10.5, around there. Because here's the thing. If we just move this back a little bit further back, just look at this. Sorry guys, my mouse is super sensitive, and then I took an energy drink, so my hands are 300 miles an hour. So this 10.5 level, we encounter support, resistance multiple times throughout the years. So I think that is a very, very critical level, some way, somehow. If I just draw some fibs, so that's why I think that's a super critical level. If we just draw some fibs from swing high to the swing low, so that from what? June 25th of 19 to March 13, then look at this. We have a 61% retracement at 10,000 level. So let's just take this off for a second so we can see it a little bit better. So we have to break above that before we get to the 10.5, and then 10.5 we're going to encounter some resistance. So right now I wouldn't do anything, but I am watching closely, because if we break above the 10.5, preferably go to the 11.5 level and then pull back to the 10.5, and then that's we're in business. That's kind of what I want to see in Bitcoin right now. Or perhaps pull back to 9,000 or 8,900. That way the 200-day moving average will be here, and place a position right below the 200-day moving average, with a stop loss right below, and then that will be a good entry, I think. Of course, we have to wait for the price to get lower, 200-day moving average together. We got to see what fib we're going to encounter, which will be more likely the 50% retracement. And then we're going to see what price action is telling us. Once we meet all those requirements, and then we're golden. So either I want to get long in a pullback after breaking the 10.5 level, or I want to get long on a pullback to about 8,900 bucks or so, as long as the 200-day moving average is right there. So that's just something to keep in mind. And by the way, guys, we're trying to narrow down how often we're going to post a video, so just leave down in the comments below how often do you guys want to see them. You know, we're posting every day on the channel, so if you guys get anything useful out of the video, send one friend to the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to pulverize the like button. Thanks again, guys.